In this video, we're reviewing Busbud, a global bus booking platform. Find links in the description below. Busbud makes booking intercity and international bus travel easy. It searches routes from thousands of bus companies across North America, Europe, South America, Africa, and Asia. Whether traveling between cities or countries, Busbud compares prices, schedules, and operators. The platform's user-friendly search lets you enter your departure and destination, select dates, and instantly view options. Filters refine results by price, departure time, duration, and company. You'll also find details on amenities, luggage policies, and seat selection. Busbud's extensive coverage gives you more options than individual bus company websites. By consolidating routes from multiple carriers, you find the best choice. Multiple currency and language support makes it ideal for international travelers. Busbud partners with reputable companies like Greyhound, Flixbus, BlaBlaCar Bus, and ALSA, ensuring reliable service and ticket availability. Many bookings offer mobile tickets, eliminating paper printouts. Multilingual customer support and flexible cancellation policies are also available, depending on the operator. For budget travelers, Busbud offers an affordable alternative to flights and trains, especially for long distances. It's perfect for backpackers, digital nomads, and budget-conscious travelers. Busbud is a reliable, convenient, and cost-effective platform with global reach. Its intuitive interface, broad coverage, and various payment options make it an excellent tool. Planning a bus trip? Check the links in the description to explore Busbud and find the best routes for your journey.